today I will show you how to make this everyday makeup. Yeah, it's my normal makeup I wear every day in school, and yeah. So I'll start. Usually I will start with a powder like this. This is normal powder, and then I'll use it to make my face a little bit more the same color all over. So I'm not using so much. It's just like a little bit, so just to make it flat, or what you can say, the same color. Yes. Then I will use a bronze powder. This is split it up in 3, and then I normally use this and this, only those when it's to my normal makeup, because the other one is too dark. So then I just put them together 2 times and then put them under my cheekbones to make them look more. So yes, that's it with the normal basic makeup, and then I will go to the eyes. I will start with this bloom, makeup bloom. It's okay, but you can get a lot of clumps with it, so be careful not use too much of it. Then I have been taking this from a normal mascara, and then washed all of the black color off. Then you can use it to take the clumps away. It's pretty smart. Then I use this mascara. It's Bloom Million Lashes. Yeah, it looks like this. So I just put it like this, swipe it from side to side and all up, and then the other one. So like that, and then I'm going to use this again. Then I will use this. It's a small mascara, and it's all flat and not very long, so it's like this. To take the very small eyelashes and make them black. Then I will use this Sense, I don't know. It's a very small one to the outer and inner lashes, all out here, to make them look black. And in here. And then out here. And in here. Because I really don't like the small clumps that comes on the eyelashes sometimes, then I use a lot of time on not getting the clumps. But now I think they are okay, so I finished by taking this on again, this Bloom Million Lashes, the last time, then just to make them look a little bit bigger. Mostly on this eye. Yeah, that's probably it with the mascara. So I will go on to use the fuck? The
Eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow, and it looked like this. It has 4 colors. Yeah. I use the number 1 first, and then I'll take it all down with the lashes. All down. As close to the lashes as you can get it. Just a little bit. Like you will put an eyeliner on. It's like the same place. Then you take the number 2, the brown one, right over up here, over the pink one. Then you take the number 3 up here, very light, a little bit, all up here, as you can see. And then you can see the difference from this eye to this eye, and yeah, that's probably what I used to do. My everyday makeup. And this is what it looked like, the whole face. So yeah, I'm done.